Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add closed caption on Facebook Reel video. So if you come down to your profile picture here, you can see Reel here. So this is Reel. So you click on this Reel. So the video you want to upload, you click, let's assume I want to upload this one. Now,
hello, good afternoon,
the next thing
in
here
this video, I'm going to show you
is
how
to
remove
click on
or how
next
to
here.
set any
So when you click on next, you scroll it up here, down rather, you click on caption, closed caption. Okay, so on this closed caption, you will see this and you will check this to on it. After you on it like this, so whatever you are speaking or you are talking, the Facebook will translate it in form of text at the down of your video. So all your friends, everybody that are watching your video, they will see what you are saying in text. That is what we call closed caption on your video. After you set it in this form, you come down, you go back again. So you can now come down here to write your title and describe your video. After that, you can now share it. So whenever you share it, automatically whatever you are speaking, it will transform in text. Okay guys, so that is exactly how to add closed caption on Facebook Reel video. Guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, consider to follow us on Facebook. Peace.